Press it.
Look, keep it pressed. Keep it pressed. Come on, keep
Go.
it pressed. Getting used to it. Jeez. Lily, if you turn it, you'll steer. You gotta steer too. You gotta steer.
Come here. Turn the handles so you come this way. Turn.
No, the other way. Turn it this way.
There. Now press the button. Put your foot up.
Put your foot up. There you go.
Hooray! Yay, Lily!
Come on.
Come on.
Don't forget to steer. Steer.
Steer.
Steer.
And then go this way. This way. Press the button. Press the button. And steer. Here, keep it held down. Here. And keep it held. You need to tape your finger to the button.
Okay, straighten out your wheel now.
It was a three-wheeler.
Straighten it out a little bit. There you go.
Now keep it held. Keep it held, Lily.
Big wheel.
Instead of